61A, lecture number 18. Announcements. Homework 5 is due Thursday. The first ever and completely optional CATS contest is due a week from Friday. What's the contest? To try to autocorrect people's spelling mistakes as accurately as possible. You get points for correctly guessing the word that somebody was trying to type when they made a spelling error. And by the way, my in-person office hours are canceled Thursday the 7th and 14th because I am out of town. Today's lecture introduces object-oriented programming, a paradigm that combines a lot of different ideas about how to structure programs and manage complexity through abstraction. It uses data abstraction and the idea of local state that we saw in the mutation lecture, and includes some new ideas and quite a bit of new syntax in the programming language. You need to learn all the syntax, know how the object system works in Python, but you should also be learning how to program according to the object-oriented metaphor, which isn't about describing a program's behavior just by writing a long list of instructions, but instead is about creating objects that pass messages to one another in order to create a large and complex program out of modular individual parts.